Welcome to Insurance Talk Texas, brought to you by Shell Insurance Agency, North Texas's #1 business and personal lines insurance agency for the past 100 years. Call us today at 972-423-4546 for a quote, or visit us at shellinsurance.com. That's SCHELL insurance.com. Now, here's your hosts. All right, we got to talk about what just happened to Texas insurance rates on January 1st, because people are opening their renewal notices right now and absolutely losing it.
Oh, they are. And honestly, can you blame them? Auto, home, health insurance, everything just jumped significantly.
Right, and here's what's getting people fired up. They're saying, I didn't get a ticket, I didn't file a claim, nothing changed, so why is my insurance suddenly hundreds of dollars more per year?
That's the big question, and it's totally fair. But here's what people need to understand. These increases aren't about you personally. They're about what's happening across the entire state of Texas.
Exactly. So let's break down what changed on January 1st. Auto insurance first. Texas drivers are now looking at an average annual premium crossing $3,000 for the first time ever. That's a 10% increase, about $215 more on average.
And since 2022, we're talking cumulative increases of over 30%. That's a massive shift.
So why is this happening? Number one, repair costs are through the roof. Modern cars have advanced technology, cameras, sensors, and when you get in even a minor accident, replacing those components is crazy expensive.
It's not like the old days. Now you're replacing entire computer systems in some cases.
Right, and then there's the weather situation. North Texas is seeing a 93% increase in hail events over the past 3 years. Hail Alley is absolutely destroying vehicles. Plus, Texas has the second highest odds of getting hit by a major hurricane this season.
And here's something making it worse. Uninsured drivers. As rates go up, more people drop coverage because they can't afford it. And when insured drivers get hit by someone without insurance, their own company has to cover it, which drives everyone's rates up even more.
It's a vicious cycle, and Texas law actually requires insurance companies to offer uninsured motorist coverage, which is super important.
Now, homeowners insurance is seeing continued double-digit increases too. Through September 2025 alone, severe storms caused $42 billion in insured losses, and Texas is getting hammered.
87% of insurance executives are significantly concerned about future storm losses. And it's not just the storms. Construction costs, labor costs, everything that goes into rebuilding has gotten more expensive.
Which brings us to health insurance, and this is where things get really tough. The average health insurance premium increase for the individual marketplace in Texas is 33%.
33%, that's massive. And there's a specific reason. The enhanced federal premium tax credits that were helping people afford coverage expired on December 31st, 2025.
So overnight, people lost those subsidies, and middle-income families making around $65,000 or more were already getting minimal help. Now they're looking at the full cost.
Plus, Aetna completely withdrew from the Texas individual health market. That's over 200,000 people who had to find new coverage.
So Texans are getting hit from all sides. What can they actually do about it?
First thing, and this is critical, do not drop your coverage. One serious accident or health issue could bankrupt you. The smarter move is to adjust strategically.
Okay, so what are the concrete steps?
Number one, shop around with multiple carriers. Rate increases vary dramatically between companies, and this is where working with an independent agency really pays off. Shell Insurance is a great example of a Texas-based independent agency that can compare multiple carriers and find the best combination of coverage and price. You can reach them at 972-423-4546.
That makes sense because they know the Texas market inside out, whether it's hail damage in North Texas or hurricane risk on the coast.
Exactly. Second, adjust your deductibles. Raising your deductible even a few $100s can significantly lower your monthly premium. Third, bundle your policies. Auto and homeowners together can save you 15 to 25%.
That's real money, and Shell Insurance can show you those bundling options across different carriers.
Fourth, ask for discounts. Good student, military, safe driver, safety features in your home or car. You've got to ask because companies won't always volunteer that info.
Don't leave money on the table.
And fifth, check your credit score. In Texas, insurance companies can still use credit-based insurance scores as a rating factor. Fixing credit report errors could save you money.
That's such a good point.
Now, here's the reality. These rate increases probably aren't done. Experts are predicting continued increases through 2026 and into 2027.
So this is the new reality Texans need to plan for.
Which means being proactive. Don't wait until your renewal notice shows up. Get ahead of it. And having a relationship with a local agency really matters. Shell Insurance is that kind of partner. They're not just there when you buy a policy, they're there for the long haul, helping you navigate these market changes. Visit shellinsurance.com, that's SCHELL insurance.com, or call 972-423-4546.
Independent agencies aren't tied to just one company. They can shop around on your behalf.
Whether it's auto, homeowners, or even life and business insurance, they can look at the whole picture and make recommendations that make sense for your budget.
So to recap, January 1st brought major rate increases. Auto insurance averaging over $3,000 annually, homeowners seeing double digits, health insurance up 33% on average.
Driven by severe weather, rising repair costs, medical inflation, loss of federal health subsidies, and uninsured drivers. But you can shop around, raise deductibles, bundle policies, ask for discounts, and check your credit score.
Work with a Texas-based independent agency like Shell Insurance that understands the local market. Visit shellinsurance.com, that's SCHELL insurance.com, or call 972-423-4546.
Be proactive about reviewing your coverage now while you've got time to make informed decisions. And remember, the goal isn't the absolute cheapest insurance, it's the right coverage at the best price for your situation.
Because cutting corners can really hurt you if something happens and you're underinsured.
Exactly. So if you're dealing with these rate increases, take a deep breath. Yes, it's frustrating and expensive, but there are solutions, and you've got resources like Shell Insurance to help you through it.
Give them a call and see what options are out there. You might be surprised at how much you can save.
Thanks for joining us on Insurance Talk Texas. We're here to help you understand this complicated landscape and make smart decisions. Until next time, stay protected.
And remember, the best time to review your insurance is before you need it. Take action now for a financially secure 2026.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to visit our sponsor, Shell Insurance, for all of your business, homeowners, and auto insurance needs. Call them at 972-423-4546 for a quote, or visit their website at shellinsurance.com. That's SCHELL insurance.com. See you next time.